How to change password on Reddit. Are you guys facing issues to change your password on Reddit application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to log in on Reddit, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you get logged in, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Now click on settings. After you click on settings, now again tap on your profile. After you click on profile, you can see the option for change password. You are looking to change password, right? Tap on it. On current password, you need to write down the password that you used before to create this account. Now click on new password and write down the password according to your preference, but make sure that the password is stronger. After you fill up all these details, click on save. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna change password on Reddit application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.